Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step-by-step matching of each description, AL, to the correct example, AN. An acetyl derivative of a ketone. An acetyl has two OR groups on the same carbon. Example, L, shows CH3, COCH3, 2CH3, which is 2,2-dimethoxypropane, the acetyl of acetone, a ketone. Answer, Lb, a chiral ketone. A chiral ketone has a stereocenter adjacent to or within the carbonyl compound. Example, G, shows 1-phenyl-2-methylbutane 1-1 PHC is equal to O, CH, CH3, CH to CH3. The alpha carbon bears 4 different groups, H, CH3, CH to CH3, and C is equal to O, pH, making it chiral. Answer, GC, an aldehyde that gives an aldol condensation with itself. For self-aldol condensation, the aldehyde must have alpha hydrogens. Example, N is propenyl, CH3CH2CHO, a simple aldehyde with alpha hydrogens that can undergo self-aldol condensation. Answer, ND, an oxime derivative. An oxime is R to C is equal to NO. Example, K, shows acetophenone oxime, PHC, is equal to NO-CH3, which is the oxime of acetophenone. Answer, Ke, a reagent that reduces aldehydes to 1 degree alcohols. NaBH4 in aqueous alcohol is a mild reducing agent that reduces aldehydes and ketones to alcohols. Example, H is NaBH4 alcohol. Answer, HF an alpha, beta unsaturated ketone. An enone has AC is equal to C conjugated with C is equal to O. Example, C is 2-cyclohexane 1-1, cyclohexane, a classic alpha, beta unsaturated ketone. Answer, Cg, a reagent that oxidizes aldehydes to carboxylic acids. Tollens reagent, Ag, NH3, 2+, or dash, is the classic reagent for oxidizing aldehydes to carboxylic acids, silver mirror test. Example, J. Answer, JH, a reagent that reduces ketones to alkanes. The Clemmensen reduction uses Zn, Hg, amalgam in acidic conditions, H3O+, to reduce a carbonyl to a methylene, C is equal to O, CH2. Example, F is Zn, Hg, H3O+. Answer, Fi, an enamine derivative of a ketone. An enamine is formed when a secondary amine reacts with a ketone. Example, M, shows N-cyclohex, 2-enyl, pyrrolidine, an enamine formed from cyclohexanone and pyrrolidine. Answer, Mj, an intermediate in imine formation. Imine formation proceeds through a hemiaminal intermediate, carbinolamine, a carbon bearing both O and NHR. Example, D, shows R-configured carbon with O, NHR, H, and R, a hemiaminal. Answer, DK, a cyclic hemiacetal. A cyclic hemiacetal has one O and one OR on the same carbon within a ring. Example, E, shows a 6-membered ring, tetrahydropyrin, with O and CH3 at the anomeric carbon, a cyclic hemiacetal. Answer, EL, a cyanohydrin derivative. A cyanohydrin has both O and CN on the same carbon. Example, B, shows 1-cyanocyclohexane 1-ol cyclohexane with O and CN at C1. Answer, B. Therefore, the correct answer is A, L, B, G, C, N, D, K, E, H, F, C, G, J, H, F, I, M, J, D, K, E, L, B. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches L, B matches G, C matches N, D matches K, E matches H, F matches C, G matches J, H matches F, I matches M, J matches D, K matches E, L matches B.